My name is Stephanie Lainez. This is assignment number 2 for the class Criminal Justice Technology, CJE 3692C. And this is for the summer semester. So I started off this assignment by first choosing an individual from the Florida Department of Corrections, and then reading the assignment description. I realized that our professor told us to pick somewhat of a unique name. So even though Justin Michael was a bit cliche, Wilbur Niles, the last name, is what stuck out to me. Somewhat of a last name that I've never heard it before. So this is him. Now, a feature I did keep in mind, though, when looking for him, was the beard, obviously, and the little bit of the protruding ears, which made him a little bit unique. So one of the unsuccessful sources that I found was the White Pages. So here it just gave me Boca Raton, Florida, and his age was 31, but no exact addresses of that sort. So a successful source that I found was FloridaArrest.org. So here we see that he was arrested 3 times. This is one of the more recent ones. He was arrested on August 23rd, 2016, and we see a general address 22500 Seabass Drive. So Seabass Drive right here. This one right here, the one where he was arrested in August 14th, 2016, did not give us any sort of address. So the most youngest, the first arrest he ever had was in 2014, actually, December 7th. We see 22500 Seabass Drive yet again. So Seabass Drive is a common theme here. Another source that I found was Boca Busted. So we see that he was originally from Boca Raton, Florida. So Boca Busted lists their local arrestees. So here we see him. Now this arrest was one of the first ones, December 12th, 2014. We are given an exact address. 22568 Seabass Drive, Boca Raton, Florida. Here's just some other information of him, but mainly focusing on Seabass Drive. Another source that I found was mugshots.com. So here, mugshots.com, we see the address again, 22568 Seabass Drive, Boca Raton, Florida. And we see the individual again, Justin Michael Wilbur Niles. We see the years again to confirm it's him. And then he was arrested in Boca Raton, Broward County at one point. So one of the more recent ones was on August 15, 2016. Here we see that Justin Wilbur Niles, 22568 Seabass Drive, Boca Raton, Florida. The address came up again, and here we just see his description to confirm it's him. Same birthday, Florida. Obviously, you can see that he has hazel eyes and all that sort. And then just to confirm that it's pretty current, I went on to Zillow, which is the website for housing and such. So 22568 Seabass Drive was the address that came up in all our sources. So here, this home was last sold in May 2002. We can see that he was arrested in 2014 and 2016. He was arrested a number of times, so the house was not sold. Yeah, and that concludes my assignment 2. Thank you.